The Word was made flesh and dwelt among us. We beheld the glory of the Father. We beheld the glory of the Father, full of grace and truth. In the beginning was the Word, the Word was with God. In him was life, and the life was the light of men. He came to his own, and his own received